Okay, let's take a look at our roots practice quiz. Which of the following numbers are irrational? So let's remember what makes an irrational number. The things that will be irrational numbers are going to be a square root of a non-perfect square. Okay, that would be an irrational number. A second number that would be irrational would be a decimal that doesn't end or repeat. Okay, so that would be if you had like 3.27 ... The minute you start seeing those extra dots means that decimal is not going to end and it's not going to repeat. Pi is an automatic irrational number. So let's take a look. It says, which of the following numbers are irrational? So when it says which of the following, and then it says select all, that means there's more than one. So let's go through. We're looking for square roots of non-perfect squares, decimals that don't end, pi. So if we look at A is an integer, it's out. B is a fraction. A fraction is always a rational number. C has pi involved, so C is one of our answers. D, the square root of 4 equals 2. 2 is an integer, so D is out. E is square root of 7. 7 is non-perfect, so E is also an option. So we have C and E. Number 2. Square root of 147 is between what two whole numbers? Now you are not going to have a multiplication chart, so it's important that you have some of these numbers memorized. So 147 is going to be in between 169 and 144. Okay, those will be the two perfect squares, the perfect square smaller, the perfect square larger. Now the numbers that they give us in our problem are all integers. So that means that we found the square root of our two perfect squares. So 147 is going to be between 12 and 13. My answer is B. Three, which value best represents the point shown on the number line? So I'm looking for a number that's between 6 and 7, closer to 6. Okay, now the square root of 6 squared is 36. So the square root of 36 and 6 are equal. 7 squared is 49. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a number here that's going to be between 36 and 49, but closer to 36. Because my point is closer to 6. And that's going to give me C. A is obviously out, B is obviously out because it's not between 36 and 49. When you get down to C and D, that's where you need to decide, okay, well, this point is closer to 6, so I need the number closer to 36. Number 4, which range contains the value? So I'm going to take my square root, I'm going to simplify. I get 13 plus 20, simplifies down to 33. So I need to know which decimal is square root of 33 in between. Well, if I look at my perfect squares on each side, I have 25 and 36. So if I'm looking at a number line, square root of 25 is 5, square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 33 is going to be somewhere in between. Now, I could take a look at my choices and see if there's an obvious choice. I need a number between 5 and 6, which actually gives me A. B is too large. Okay, B is going to be between 6 and 7, so B is out. C is between 14 and 15, that's out, and D is also out. Now, if you're down to two choices that could be an answer, then what you're going to do is you're going to see which number square root of 33 is closer to. Let's say you had 5 to 5.5 and 5.6 to 6. Okay, let's say they gave you two ranges that could be possible answers. If we take a look, our first choice here is the bottom half of the number line. And this is the top half. Since 33 is only 3 away from 36, that would mean it would be in the top half of the numbers. So it's going to be somewhere between 5.6 and 6. So again, that didn't happen on this problem, but just in case it does on the test, you might need to be aware of which number it's closer to.